Are you still paying your mortgage? Seriously? Or wait, should you even be paying your mortgage? I mean, the federal government, didn't they give you free money to pay your mortgage? This sounds too good to be true. It just might be. Stay tuned to find out the answer. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Nigel, and today's video, we're going to talk about forbearance. I know you've heard a lot of talk about homeowners not having to pay their mortgage, and well, that might make you happy if you're a homeowner. Well, what if you're a renter? Well, wait a minute. What if you're a homeowner? How does that really affect you? If it sounds too good to be true, maybe you should think twice. I've had a lot of clients and friends and family that have called me saying, hey, Nigel, what should I do? My bank actually called me to say, hey, let us defer payments. Let us allow you to not pay your mortgage for a few months to help you out. Well, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And here's why. Now, first things first, not everybody even qualifies for forbearance. Although they make it seem like everybody in the United States doesn't have to pay their mortgage, well, that's not true. The best way to find out is to call your lender or to look on your mortgage statement. That's the little paper that comes in the mail every single month. Well, in the top corner, there's some contact information that you can call and find out if you even qualify. Now, typically there's three options. And the first option is, in my opinion, the worst option available. A lot of mortgage servicers will allow you to not pay your mortgage for 3, 6, or 12 months, whatever it is you negotiate in writing. However, they do require that lump sum payment right at the end of that term. So, wait a minute, you're telling me that you don't have a job right now, and then in 3, 6, or 12 months, you're gonna have that many payments in your bank account to pay for your mortgage? Come on, really? That's preposterous. I don't really imagine anyone having that ability, okay? Well, what does that mean? And some of the terms that I've seen is, if you do not pay us this lump sum when it comes due, guess what? You go into foreclosure. Now that is a problem. So if you're deferring payments like that, it can become a real sticky issue when the money comes due. Now, really think about this, okay? When you want to actually have some help, you should be able to get the help, but make sure you pay attention to the fine details. Now, the second option that I've seen is called a payment plan. What that means is you haven't paid your mortgage for the agreed upon term, 3, 6, 12 months. Well, as soon as you can start paying your mortgage again, that you agree with your mortgage servicer, that means that you're going to pay a little extra above and beyond your actual mortgage. So for instance, your mortgage is $2,000 and you agree to pay $500 or $1,000 more every single month until that actual deferred payments have been paid up. That may be a good choice for you. You and your budget will be the judge of that. Option number 3. Oh my goodness, the big banks are so nice to me. They told me if I don't pay my mortgage for a few months, all I have to do when I can pay is just put it at the end of my current loan. Oh, they're so nice. Wrong. Listen up, folks. You have a 30-year fixed mortgage currently. That means just that. It's fixed for 30 years. They can't just take extra monies and dump it at the end of your loan. That's not going to happen. What is going to happen is, if you qualify at the time, they'll allow you to refinance. But there's a huge catch to that. And if you've made it this far, I suggest you stay tuned to learn exactly what that is. Now, I know what you're going to say. No, my bank said it was all good, that I'd be fine. They're not even going to report me to the credit bureau. You're right. They're not going to report you to the credit bureau. Here's the issue. You're going to have a gap in payment to a mortgage servicer. So let me put this in perspective. When you want to refinance that loan because everything is fine and dandy, lenders are not going to allow you to refinance. Why is that? Well, you've now become a risk. Well, hold on a minute. I got a 800 credit score. Sorry, you didn't pay your mortgage for a few months and we actually see a gap in your history. So you can go back to your original bank and see if they can help you. Now, I know what might be going through your head. Is it all doom and gloom? Is it 2008 all over again? Are the banks really out to help us or hurt us? I don't know what to do. The reality is forbearance can be a good thing. But the message I want you to take away from this is if you don't need it, don't use it. You're going to really affect your ability to refinance or purchase a new home here in the near future. If you want to purchase something in the next 2 to 3 years or refinance, you're not going to be able to. Now, if you do need forbearance and deferment, contact your mortgage servicer and walk through that. But make sure that you're recording conversations, saving emails, and getting everything in writing. And if you have any questions about that, how to arm yourself with some more information, please feel free, contact us, and we'd be glad to assist you in any way that we possibly can. Now, I really appreciate everybody that's still with me, and if you learned something from the video today, give your boy a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I really, really do appreciate it. And if you have any friends or family that may need this information, please send it to them. Tell them to contact us. We'd be glad to help them. It's your boy Nige, and although we're in quarantine, still trying to make moves, baby.